A developing story in the district tonight where the hunt is on for the gunman who robbed a D.C. Superior Court judge. The judge who recently presided over a high-profile murder case was walking with two others through an upper Northwest neighborhood last Friday when it happened. Fox 5's Paul Wagner is in the newsroom with the story. Paul?
Well, Maureen, Judge Rona Beck was walking with her law clerk and the clerk's boyfriend late last Friday night when two men with guns approached from behind and announced a robbery. Judge Beck, who recently presided over the trial of 5 men convicted in the South Capitol Street drive-by murders, did what the robbers wanted and was not hurt in the holdup. In fact, all 3 turned over their valuables, telling police the men then jumped into a car and fled east towards 16th Street. According to a police report, Judge Beck and 2 companions had just left a tennis match over at 16th and Kennedy and were walking here near 17th and Crittenden Northwest when 2 men with guns came up from behind and said, "Turn around, give me all your money, drop it." The judge turned over her purse, which contained $100 in cash. She also lost her car keys and a judge's badge. Her 2 companions turned over their wallets. The stick-up, which took place just steps from the home of former Mayor Adrian Fenty, was just one of 9 robberies or attempted robberies in the city that day. That's according to what D.C. police reported on its Twitter account. In fact, robberies have been a major problem for D.C. police in recent years, most of them involving the theft of electronic devices from people on the street. According to statistics on the D.C. police website, robberies involving a gun are up 19% when compared with the same time last year, and robberies without a gun were up 3%. The judge's purse, keys, and badge were recovered by D.C. police, but it's unclear how or where. Judge Beck is 64 years old and has been on the bench since 1995. Through a spokesperson, she declined to comment, citing the ongoing investigation. No one was hurt and there have been no arrests, and we should also point out that police do not believe this has anything to do with her recent presiding over that trial. Maureen.